Oh, Jesus Christ, you have to be deprived just to exercise your rights. You have to be poor for us to be rich. You have to suffer for us to be hallowed. You have to be nailed for us to be victorious. You have to come back for us to be justified. We have to regain what we already gained before. We have to renew what is already a covenant that is new. We have to review what is always been in apparition sight viewed. We have to rewind the wind that gave us life, guiding us in a winding road that we will partake